Welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how you can have two WhatsApp app on your device for two different numbers. Let's see how to install. First of all, click on Settings. Search Dual Messenger on search bar. Click on Dual Messenger. Again click on Dual Messenger. Here you can see list of app. Turn on switch of WhatsApp. Click on Install. Click on Next. Now you have two WhatsApp app installed on your device which you can use for different numbers. Now you can set up your new number on second WhatsApp. Similarly, you can also have two Facebook and Messenger app. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.